Okay, so I just wanted to record a clip of the snowstorm that's starting in 2012 here in Utah. In other states they have hurricanes and tornadoes right now, but we get snowstorms and they're pretty severe. But Utah's a very prepared state, so we have our trucks plowing the roads as soon as it starts.
Okay, Binky, you want to come in? You want to play in the snow or you want to come in?
Alright, I'm going to record a little clip of this outside. So it's just starting right now. Like, look how thick the snow is. Look how it's actually really windy. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but
ooh, Binky's excited for the snow, huh? Huh, kitty, you excited? Meow.
Ooh, it's all wet. Wow, usually the snow usually doesn't go under the covered balcony. This is my covered balcony. It goes all the way here. And there's two closets on the side, but yeah, it's snowing profusely. See? Last thing I want to do is drop my cell phone. I'm on the 3rd level. You can even see the mountains, like where I'm showing my camera. You can see the beautiful mountains usually, but yeah, see? Utah snow, and I'm supposed to be traveling back to Maryland this weekend, so hopefully the weather is going to be clear because I do not want to delay my trip. I'm using my PTO from work and I don't want to miss out on my vacation days. So there's another clip of my life, I guess. My little average American life here in Utah.
Binky, you like the snow? You like eating the snow? Aww.
Ooh, is the snow really that thick?
You like eating snow?
Oh, looks like Big Daddy Sparkplug wants to come out.
You want to come out, Sparkplug? What? Don't be shy.
Alright, that's it.